Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can type in chat on Roblox Xbox in-game. Now this is very simple and easy, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So you may have played Roblox on PC or your phone before, and you will see a little chat box that looks something like this, and this actually allows you to chat with players in-game, and it's a really good feature that is actually in Roblox. But how do we actually go about doing it on the Xbox version? So unfortunately it is not actually possible to type in chat on the Roblox Xbox version because they actually have voice chat instead. So because you play Xbox on a controller and you don't use a keyboard and mouse, they decided to use a voice chat instead of a text-based chat. So unfortunately at this moment in time, it is not actually possible to type in chat on Roblox Xbox in-game. The purpose of this video is to inform you guys that it is actually not possible, so I hope I solved some of your questions. So if you now know that you can't type in chat on Roblox Xbox and you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.